How to delete your Nutmeg account and withdraw investments. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply log into your Nutmeg account. And then from there, what are we going to do is simply like withdraw and choose to close your pot and sell all of the investments. So simply get into the investment option and then simply get into a stock option and then simply sell all of your investments to cash. After doing that, you would need to obviously withdraw the cash. For that, it will usually take about 3 to 5 days. Then you can transfer the cash back to your linked bank account after successfully withdrawing your cash. Now what we're going to do is simply email them. So send them an email to support@rednutmeg.com in order to close the empty account shell. And once they have successfully deleted your account, you will actually be getting an email, and that's exactly how you would be able to tell that you have deleted your Nutmeg account and withdraw investments. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.